Azure PaaS questions and answers. Which Azure service provides a fully managed platform for building, deploying, and scaling web apps? Answer: Azure App Service. Which Azure service allows you to run event-triggered code without provisioning or managing infrastructure? Answer: Azure Functions. Which Azure service provides a way to automate and orchestrate tasks, business processes, and workflows across different systems and services? Answer: Azure Logic Apps. Which Azure service offers a fully managed relational database service? Answer: Azure SQL Database. Which Azure service provides a globally distributed, multi-model database service? Answer: Azure Cosmos DB. Which Azure service enables you to build, deploy, and manage machine learning models at scale? Answer: Azure Machine Learning. Which Azure service allows you to process and analyze streaming data in real time? Answer: Azure Stream Analytics. Which Azure service provides a fully managed event routing service for distributing events to multiple subscribers? Answer: Azure Event Grid. Which Azure service offers a fully managed search as a service solution? Answer: Azure Search. Which Azure service provides an in-memory data store for caching frequently accessed data? Answer: Azure Cache for Redis. Which Azure service enables you to connect, monitor, and manage billions of IoT devices? Answer: Azure IoT Hub. Which Azure service provides a fast and highly scalable data exploration and analytics service? Answer: Azure Data Explorer. Which Azure service allows you to build real-time web applications with bidirectional communication? Answer: Azure SignalR service. Which Azure service provides a messaging infrastructure for connecting applications, devices, and services across different environments? Answer: Azure Service Bus. Which Azure service allows you to publish, secure, transform, and monitor APIs? Answer: Azure API Management. Which Azure service provides a highly scalable and event-driven data streaming platform? Answer: Azure Event Hubs. Which Azure service enables you to orchestrate and automate data integration and data transformation workflows? Answer: Azure Data Factory. Which Azure service provides a scalable and secure data lake for big data analytics and storage? Answer: Azure Data Lake Storage. Which Azure service offers a fully managed cloud service for big data processing and analytics? Answer: Azure HDInsight. Which Azure service provides a visual interface for building, testing, and deploying machine learning models? Answer: Azure Machine Learning Studio. Which Azure service offers a wide range of AI capabilities, including vision, speech, language, and knowledge? Answer: Azure Cognitive Service. Which Azure service allows you to encode, store, and stream audio and video at scale? Answer: Azure Media Services. Which Azure service enables you to deploy cloud intelligence directly on IoT devices? Answer: Azure IoT Edge. Which Azure service provides a fast, easy, and collaborative Apache Spark-based analytics platform? Answer: Azure Databricks. Which Azure service allows you to discover, understand, and manage your data assets? Answer: Azure Data Lake Analytics. Which Azure service provides a fully managed service for processing big data in real time with low latency? Answer: Azure Data Catalog. Which Azure service allows you to store and manage large amounts of unstructured and structured data? Answer: Azure Data Share. Which Azure service provides a centralized hub for managing, securing, and sharing data across organizations? Answer: Azure Data Box. Which Azure service enables you to securely transfer large amounts of data to and from Azure using physical devices? Answer: Azure Stream Analytics. Which Azure service offers a fully managed cloud service for storing and analyzing large amounts of data? Answer: Azure Data Lake Storage. Which Azure service provides a fully managed cloud-based data warehouse for analytics and reporting? Answer: Azure Synapse Analytics, formerly Azure SQL Data Warehouse. Which Azure service allows you to build, deploy, and manage scalable and reliable applications for the Internet of Things? Answer: Azure IoT Hub. Which Azure service provides a fully managed service for running Apache Spark and Hadoop clusters? Answer: Azure HDInsight. Which Azure service enables you to analyze large amounts of data using SQL-like queries? Answer: Azure Data Lake Analytics. Which Azure service allows you to discover, organize, and manage your data assets in a centralized catalog? Answer: Azure Data Catalog. Which Azure service provides a fully managed service for sharing data with external organizations securely? Answer: Azure Data Share. Which Azure service offers a fully managed cloud service for transferring data between on-premises and the cloud? Answer: Azure Data Box. Which Azure service allows you to build, deploy, and manage scalable and reliable data pipelines? Answer: Azure Data Factory. Which Azure service provides a scalable and secure storage solution for big data analytics? Answer: Azure Data Lake Storage. Which Azure service offers a fully managed cloud service for processing and analyzing streaming data in real time? Answer: Azure Stream Analytics. Which Azure service enables you to build, deploy, and manage machine learning models using a visual interface? Answer: Azure Machine Learning Studio. Which Azure service allows you to integrate AI capabilities into your applications with simple API calls? Answer: Azure Cognitive Services. Which Azure service provides a fully managed service for encoding, streaming, and delivering media content? Answer: Azure Media Services. Which Azure service enables you to deploy and run AI models directly on edge devices? Answer: Azure IoT Edge. Which Azure service offers a collaborative workspace for developing and deploying big data analytics solutions? Answer: Azure Databricks. Which Azure service allows you to analyze large amounts of data using a serverless analytics service? Answer: Azure Data Lake Analytics. Which Azure service provides a fully managed service for discovering, understanding, and managing your data assets? Answer: Azure Data Catalog. Which Azure service enables you to build, deploy, and manage scalable and reliable event-driven applications? Answer: Azure Event Grid. Which Azure service offers a fully managed service for managing and securing APIs? Answer: Azure API Management. Which Azure service allows you to ingest and process large amounts of data from various sources in real time? Answer: Azure Event Hubs. Thanks for watching.